But before some of you guys go, oh my God, 4 years is a really long time to wait to buy a home, I want you to ask yourself just a few questions. Number one, have you actually, in the last 20 to 30 years that you have been an adult, for example, have you ever saved enough money for a down payment to actually buy a home and get approved? So 4 years out is not that big a deal. 4 years out post-discharge, and if you can put 20% down on a $600,000 home, and in California, that's a cheap home, let me tell you. Condos are about $300,000 to $400,000. A regular old single family home is about $600,000 in the cheaper parts of California. You would never get that in the more metropolitan areas, in the Bay Area, or in Southern California or San Diego. But let's go back. 20% down on a $600,000 home is about $100,000. On top of that, you need to pay for appraisal fees, real estate fees, closing costs, the list goes on and on. Obviously, if you do a government-sponsored or VA loan, it's no money down or very nominal amount, but guess what that means? Your mortgage amount per month is going to be much higher. So before many of you guys out there are stressing about, oh my God, bankruptcy is going to ruin my life, I can never buy a home. Prior to you getting into all of this debt, were you in a financial position to purchase a home, whether it be 3% down or 20% down? You may not have been. And so realistically, you have to take care of your present problem, which is credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, your overwhelming debt, before we can get to the next stage, which is, hey, I want to buy my first home. So think about that. Also, if you have too much credit card and personal loan debt, you're not going to get approved by a lender anyway to buy a home. It would be pretty difficult. And for people who already own homes, that's awesome for you. You still can do a bankruptcy if your debt got too overwhelming, and you can save your home.